Carrboro Plumbing was founded in 2007 with the goal of providing quality plumbing services to the community at fair prices. In addition to performing trustworthy and exceptional work, the family-owned and operated business is committed to volunteerism and community engagement and partners with organizations to give back. Carrboro Plumbing began an annual day of service in 2018, partnering with Habitat for Humanity to install a sewer line and roof trim for a bathroom and kitchen for a family living without indoor plumbing. After delays due to the pandemic, Carrboro Plumbing resumed its home tune-up program this spring in partnership with OWASA. The program was wildly successful and resulted in over $10,000 of plumbing labor and materials for customers that qualified and received emergency housing assistance. Whether they're addressing our leaky pipes, donating their time and talent to the community, or even helping their Facebook followers find vaccine appointments, Carrboro Plumbing always seems to have our back. We are proud to award Carrboro Plumbing with our 2022 Mid-Size Business of the Year Award.